Hello guys, welcome back for another video. And yes, it was announced Monday Night Raw na magkakaroon tayo for the first time 10 years in the making sa debut ng Raw na sa Netflix. 10 years in the making, CM Punk versus Seth Rollins. Ngayon, syempre, alam natin yung real life beef nila CM Punk and ni Seth Rollins. Of course, 10 years ago, umalis si CM Punk. Ayaw na ayaw ni Seth yun. Nagalit si Seth kung ba't siya umalis. Marami naman nagalit nung umalis si CM Punk. Especially si Seth Rollins. Ngayon, ito, in-announce ni Adam Pearce na sa first row ng Netflix, Seth Rollins versus CM Punk. Now remember, this year, nung WrestleMania 40 this year, this past year lang, dapat maglalaban si Seth Rollins at saka si CM Punk sa WrestleMania 40. Pero hindi nangyari kasi na-injured si CM Punk sa Royal Rumble. In-injured siya ni Drew McIntyre. Pero okay lang yun kasi binigyan naman tayo ni CM Punk na one of the best feuds na kinalaban niya si Drew McIntyre. So ngayon, minove na lang ng WWE, let's move your feud with Seth Rollins next in the middle of 2024. So ayun na nga. So next year na yun. Next year, January I think 16, 2025, debut ng Raw ng Netflix, CM Punk versus Seth Rollins. Na yun, ang history ni CM Punk at saka ni Seth Rollins is well documented. Of course, alam natin yung pangalan ni Seth Rollins dati sa Indies, si Tyler Black ba yun? So, ayun. And yung naging NXT champion si Seth Rollins, nag-face to face sila ni CM Punk sa NXT, no? WWE champion pa that time si CM Punk 2012. And of course, naging mercenary din si Seth Rollins nung nandun si Seth Rollins sa Shield. Naging mercenary din si Seth Rollins for CM Punk nung naging Shield member na si Seth. So ayun, it comes full circle. 10 years later, this is 10 years in the making. Last time na nag face to face si Seth Rollins asa si CM Punk is matagal na, I think Monday Night Raw pa lang nun or TLC if I can remember correctly. So yun nga yun. So ito, it comes first full circle, 10 years in the making. CM Punk versus Seth Rollins on the first Raw of Netflix of 2025. And sana maganda kakalabasan nito. And of course, I think merong brawl na mangyayari dito between them and between CM Punk and Seth Rollins, no? Sobra talagang palagay ko malakas ang kutob ko, malakas ang feeling ko na magkakaroon talaga ng brawl or like all out brawl throughout this match. So yun lang naman. Anong reaction niyo dito na maglalaban na si CM Punk at saka si Seth Rollins for the first time 10 years in the making? Let me know in the comments. And of course, kung gusto nyo usapan sa tamakmak na wrestling and gaming, follow nyo na ako dito sa YouTube and TikTok. Peace out!